Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word likelihood. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. There is a high likelihood of rain tomorrow, based on the weather forecast. Likelihood refers to the probability or chance of something happening, indicating how likely it is for a specific event or outcome to occur in a given situation. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.